Monopoly Junior is a kid-friendly version of Monopoly for 2 to 4 players. The goal of the game is to be the player with the most money at the end of the game. To start the game, each player chooses a token and places it on the go space. Players also place their token's character card and sold tokens in front of them. The chance cards go face down in the middle of the board. For a 2-player game, each player starts with $20. For a 3-player game, each player starts with $18. For a 4-player game, each player starts with $16. The youngest player goes first, and play continues clockwise. The first player rolls the die and moves their token that number of spaces. If they land on an unowned property, they must buy it by paying the bank the price listed on the space and placing one of their sold tokens on the space. If a player lands on an owned property, they pay the rent price to the player who owns the property. The price of rent is the same as the cost of buying the property. If a player owns all of the properties in a color, rent is doubled for each of that color's properties. If a player lands on a chance space, they draw a chance card and follow the instructions on it. When a player passes go, they collect $2 from the bank. When a player lands on the go to jail space, they move their token to the jail space on the board and end their turn. On their next turn, they can pay $1 to the bank to leave jail or use a get out of jail free card if they have one. Then, they roll the die and take their turn like normal. Play continues clockwise until one player runs out of cash and can't afford to buy a property or pay rent. Once a player goes bankrupt, the other players count their cash. The player with the most money wins the game. If there is a tie, each player adds up the value of the properties they own and adds the value to their score.